Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Time for another unboxing video. So we just picked this up, the 2026 Zamac set from Walmart. This comes in the Legends Tour shipper that they've been displaying at Walmart's here lately. So we're going to go through all these cars. And then this little box here came from Fairfield Collectibles. It has some of the new Majorettes in here, some pretty cool stuff. So stay tuned for that. All right, so we're going to start with this guy. We'll show you all the cars that are in here. So we've got the 2000 GT Toyota, a nice GT 500 there, guys. The BMW 320, and this one I'm really excited for, that Porsche Boxster. So that's a nice one there. And then we've got the Beetle and a Stingray, a C3 Corvette, which is looking pretty good as well. So let's crack these open. Okay, we'll start at the top here with the 2000 GT with a little green stripe there. It's kind of cool. Gold wheels. It's got the chrome chassis there. Not a huge following for this car in the United States. It is a cool JDM spec though. I always thought it was kind of funny the way they have the mirrors way out there. So, yeah, not a bad little casting there. So we'll throw her up on the turntable. And let's check out this GT 500, guys. Shelby. Got the Shelby decal on the side there. Nice little yellow stripes. Yellow striped wheels as well. Yeah, I'm really digging this one. I am a Shelby guy, as you can tell. The light in the background. Never had a GT 500 though, just my GT 350 R that I have in the garage. So what's this one say on the bottom? It's a 2010 model. Ooh, it's a Super Snake. Nice. GT 500 Super Snake. Top dog back then. This is when they were still manual transmissions, the only way you could get them. Now you can't get a GT 500 in a manual, or the new replacement for the GT 500, which is the new Dark Horse SC. All right, next up, this BMW 320 race car, guys. This thing is wide. Holy smokes, it's got a wide body on it. Check that out. Crazy spoiler up front here, or lip, whatever you want to call it. I'm digging the wheel choice. They look pretty good. The black with the chrome ring. Looks like they have exhaust tips coming out the side on this one. And check out the wing. Massive metal wing. And yes, this does have the metal base, metal chassis. So it's got some heft to it, but super cool casting. I love the BMW colored graphics on the side. Just looks really good. All right, guys, here is my favorite one of the set. The Porsche Boxster, looking good. Check out the stripe on the side. The Porsche decal. Not sure about the chrome wheels, they're okay. Got the red interior there, and it looks like it's probably a manual just by the look of that. And these humps, guys, that's indicative of it being a Porsche Spyder. Back here it says Boxster S, so that's a little misleading. So it's not a Boxster S, it's a Boxster Spyder. The Boxster S and base Boxster, the difference you could tell by the exhaust pipes. Like on a base model would just be a single oval exhaust tip, and this is dual, so that's correct. But they should have called it a Spyder, not a Boxster S. Oh, yep, right there it does say Porsche Boxster Spyder. But yeah, definitely my favorite of the set, guys. I've had a couple of Porsche Boxsters, a Cayman. They're just awesome handling, fun to drive cars. Super cool. Next up is the VW Raced Out Racer, man. Look at that. They call it the Kafer, K-A-F-E-R, Racer. That is a long Beetle. It's got some length there with that giant wing. And they got the engine showing there. That's pretty cool. The pipes, exhaust pipes right there on the side. What's it say down here? Volkswagen Kafer Racer. Again, that's a cool little ride there. Some cool graphics too. All right, guys, last one of the Zamac set here, the C3 Corvette, the Stingray. Looking good with some purple graphics there. See the Stingray logo on the side there. What are they doing for wheels? Black wheels with the red outline. They're okay. Ooh, I like the detail on the taillights there. Yeah, it's looking good. Got the side pipes here in plastic. And then that is a plastic base there on this one. Doesn't even have the Stingray or the year of the Corvette on this one, but it does say on the box it's a 69 Corvette. Black bumpers in plastic there and in the front. Yeah, nice little Stingray. I'm liking that one. So let me know in the comments, guys, which one is your favorite out of the Zamacs. I think it's a pretty good set actually here. Only one that I'm really, I guess there's 4 of them I like. I like the Stingray, the Boxster, Shelby, and this BMW. Probably the Toyota and the VW on my bottom choices. But yeah, let me know what ones you guys think are pretty cool out of this set. We're gonna dive into that box over there next. Let's crack this guy open. I ordered these about a month ago because they were on pre-order, and they finally showed up. So excited about these guys. Ooh, look at all that Majorette goodness in there. Oh, starting it off with the Toyota, the Hilux SR5, 85 to be exact, guys. The first one of this series that they did was the blacked out one. So basically the Back to the Future Marty McFly truck. In this version they went black, or not black, they went white, which actually looks pretty good. And they did the white plastic collector box there too. Super cool. So I got a few of these ones. We'll crack one open for you, show you what it looks like. I think there's a screw holding this guy in. Yep, there is. We gotta get that out of there. There it is, guys. Got all the light covers and lights like on the Back to the Future truck. Got the roll bars. Super cool casting. I'm sure that they'll come out with a few more colors in this because it is pretty awesome. Really dig that one. So up next, check it out. This is sitting there. The black Porsche 930 Turbo, guys. The first color on this one was silver, but it's looking mighty good in black. So good. Check out that 930. Majorette is definitely bringing their A game with these collection series cars. Some good weight to it. Metal base. Nice tires and wheels. Some rubber tires. Super cool. Super cool black one. I love it. All right, guys, let's see what else we got in here. We got another 930. Oh, check this one. I'm a big Ford guy. Oh, that is so cool. So cool. 56 Ford F100 in the mint green. 70th anniversary deal. Did the rest of them say that? No. So I'm not sure what that 70th anniversary means. Oh, gotta do the math, guys. It's the 70th anniversary of the 56 Ford, because 1956 and it's 2026. So I guess that is what that means. Now that truck is epic. The wheels are so good. The detail on that thing, that grille. Oh, the side steps are blacked out. Oh man. Oh man. I got a soft spot for these. I actually had a 1952, which had a different grille. Hot rodded out, flat black, lowered Ford pickup a while back, and it was an awesome truck. That is a highlight for sure, guys. Loving that truck for sure. All right, just some more of that Hilux. Got another one of those Ford pickups. Let's put that one right there. I think I picked up 4 of the Toyota. Yep, so there's another Toyota. So the last one here, guys, that I picked up was the red Supra. So the first time they did these, they did the white Supra. I'm not sure if they did silver, but I'm pretty... It was white for sure. They might have done a silver too, I'm not sure. But this one, that's popping in red. Check it out. The black lip there and the ground effects on the side. Like I said, guys, Majorette Collection series is bringing it. Only thing I'm gonna knock, you know how I knocked the plastic spoilers. Not a fan, because they do not last. They break off really easily. Wheels are okay. That black, they're really tiny wheels. But just the details. So this is a right-hand drive one, guys. The details on the interior are on par too. Super cool. Really dig that. Awesome Majorettes coming out, guys. They're going to be hard to find on the shelves, so check the websites for different places. See if you can find them. Fairfield Collectibles is where I picked them up. I don't know if they still have any available, but it's worth a check. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this unboxing. Some epic stuff here. Let me know what your favorite is from all of these. Like I said, Boxster for the Zamacs for me. And I think I got to go with the Ford for the Majorettes. But all the Majorettes were awesome. So thanks again for tuning in. If you haven't already, guys, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video. Have a good one.